India's Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Tuesday warned the second wave of the coronavirus in the country is not over yet, and he urged people to not let the guards down and follow COVID-appropriate behavior. His statement came as crowds have spilled onto streets and marketplaces as authorities in several states have eased restrictions, threatening another spike in infections. India's Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Tuesday asked Indians to exercise COVID-appropriate behavior and not let the guards down, as he warned the second wave of the coronavirus is not over yet, while urging people to get vaccinated. Authorities in several Indian states, including capital New Delhi, have eased restrictions amid a decline in daily COVID-19 cases, triggering crowds onto the streets and marketplaces and threatening another spike in infections. India on Tuesday reported 37,566 new COVID-19 infections, the lowest daily in last 102 days, taking the cases tally to 30.31 million with 397,637 deaths so far.
जो वेव है हमारा, जो सेकंड फेज था कोविड का, जिसको हम सेकंड वेव के नाम से अब ज़्यादा जो है चर्चा करने लगे हैं, ये समाप्त नहीं हुआ है और अभी भी इतने केसेस देश भर में हो रहे हैं। हमारे दिल्ली में निश्चित रूप से केसेस के अंदर बहुत भारी कमी आई है, लेकिन जो 1.5 वर्ष का अनुभव हमारे को बताता है कि हमें किसी भी परिस्थिति में रिलैक्स नहीं होना है।
Meanwhile, India's Maharashtra state, home to financial capital of Mumbai, has ordered malls and cinema halls to close amid mounting concerns of Delta Plus variant. Maharashtra was the worst hit by the devastating second wave in April and May and is still reporting a quarter of all new cases nationwide. At least 20 cases of the new variant have been reported from across the state.